Hello and welcome to Miss Smith's virtual classroom. Today we are going to talk about customary length. Feel free to pause the video as we go along so you can do work, and make sure you have some paper and a pencil. First off, we are going to talk about how you compare and convert customary units of length. To build a new swing, Mr. Matson needs 9 feet of rope for each side of the swing and 6 more feet for the monkey bar. The hardware store sells rope by the yard. How many feet of rope does Mr. Matson need for the swing? So we know, if you look at the picture right above, that a swing has 2 ropes, so 1 on each side. So 9 feet of rope would be for one side, and then 9 feet for the other side. So we are going to go ahead and add 9 plus 9, which would equal 18 feet. Now that we know that, we can find how many feet Mr. Matson needs for the swing and the monkey bar combined. So we found out for the swing, for those 2 ropes, he needs 18 feet of rope, and then he needs another 6 feet for the monkey bar. So we're going to add 18 plus 6, which equals 24. Now that we have that information, we need to find how many yards are in that 24 feet. So how many groups of 3 feet are in 24 feet? Before we do that, we need to know that a 12-inch ruler is 1 foot, and 3 of those equals 1 yard. So 3 feet equals 1 yard. Now we can look at this model right above, and we have our 24 feet on the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and split that into groups of 3. So when you split that, if you look down on the side, we have a total feet of 24, and we are going to divide that. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. So go ahead and pause it and find the answer. And our total is 8 total yards. Now we are going to find the relationship between miles and feet. So go ahead and look at this chart up at top. You can go ahead and pause it and kind of read over that, and then we'll come back. So the distance between the new high school and the football field is 2 miles. How does this distance compare to 10,000 feet? So we need to multiply the total number of miles by 5,280. Why do we need to do this? Well, if you look at the chart right above, 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. So the total miles, we have 2 total miles. There are 5,280 feet in 1 mile. And if you multiply that, you get 10,560. So 2 miles equals 10,560 feet. Next, we are going to compare our 10,560 feet to 10,000 feet. So 10,560 feet is greater than 10,000 feet. Since 10,560 is greater than 10,000, the distance between the new high school and the football field is longer than 10,000 feet. Now we are going to use mixed measures to use more than 1 unit of measurement. You can convert a single unit of measurement of mixed measures. So we're going to convert 62 inches into feet and inches. We are going to go ahead and use the table. So if you look above, 1 foot equals 12 inches. So what we need to do, we are changing a smaller unit into a larger unit, so we are going to divide. So dividing, we are going to take our total inches, which is 62. We have 12 inches in 1 foot, so 62 divided by 12 is 5 with a remainder of 2. So therefore, our answer is 62 inches equals 5 feet and 2 inches. Now let's go ahead and solve some of these problems. Go ahead and pause after each problem so you can solve it, and then I'll explain them. So 2 miles equals how many yards? Go ahead and use that chart above, pause it, and we'll come back. Did you get 3,520? If you did, awesome job. If you didn't, let's talk it over. So 2 miles equals 3,520 yards. So if I look at this, 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Next, we are going to take that 1,760 yards and we're going to multiply it by 2 to get our answer. Let's go ahead and move on. Our next problem is 6 yards equals how many feet? Go ahead and pause it and we'll come back. Did you get 18 feet? If you did, awesome job. If you didn't, let's talk about it. So 6 yards equals 18 feet. And if you look at the top, 1 yard equals 3 feet. So if we are going from yards to feet, we are going to multiply. So we are going to take 6 yards and multiply it by 3, where we get 18 feet. Let's do one more problem. 90 inches equals how many feet and how many inches? Go ahead and pause it and solve. Did you get 7 feet 6 inches? If you did, awesome job. If you didn't, let's talk about it. So we are going to go from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. So we need to divide. So 90 divided by 12 equals 7. And if you multiply 12 by 7, you get 84. And you subtract and you get a remainder of 6. So 90 inches equals 7 feet and 6 inches. All right, I am very proud of everybody today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next time. Bye.